What she wants to know is answering your questions like, why aren't authorities releasing the suspected shooter's name? What's happening with the case? Where are the facts? Well, remember, the suspected shooter is 15. He's a juvenile. And because of that, the legal process is a little more lengthy. I asked attorney Jason Keith to walk us through the process.
It's going to start out in juvenile court. You can't even release the juvenile's name. The prosecutor decides whether a juvenile should be tried as an adult, and there's a hearing to determine to have the case removed to superior court, and the prosecutor decides and makes that determination by filing a motion in front of a judge, and the judge hears that motion, makes a decision based off of that. The juvenile is not deemed to be an adult until they are actually determined to be competent to stand trial.
So in that transfer hearing that he was talking about from juvenile to adult, the judge looks at these factors, everything from age and maturity, prior record, whether the alleged offense was committed in an aggressive, violent, or premeditated manner, and if the juvenile is a threat to the public at large. If a judge transfers the case to superior court, which then allows the juvenile to be tried as an adult, then the name of the suspect can be revealed. Now, there's a big difference in penalties for being tried as a juvenile versus an adult. The max sentence for a juvenile convicted of first-degree murder is time served up until the age of 21. The max sentence for a juvenile tried and convicted for first-degree murder as an adult is life in prison. At no point in North Carolina can a juvenile be given the death penalty.